Okay, now we are going to prove this. First, please subscribe to BRT family in India. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Okay, now we are going to solve a problem. If x log y is equals to log x, then show that dy by dx is equals to y by x 1 minus log x log y log square x. Okay, now going to solution. X log y, x log y is equals to log x. Now I'm applying log on both sides, means log into x log x power log y is equals to log into log x. Now here log y into log x is equals to log into log x. By using differentiation, now I am using differentiation both sides with respect to x. Now I am going to differentiation path with respect to x. Okay, now I am using differentiation d by dx of log x log d by dx of log y into log x is equals to d by dx of log into log x. Now I am saying you UV formula. First note this. UV formula is equals to u into d by dx of u into d by dx plus v into v plus v into d by dx of u. This is the UV formula. This is the basic formula and backbone of this problem. Now I am coming to the application of this formula. Okay, now I am doing the formula. Log y into d by dx into log x plus log x into d by dx into log y. We can write log d by dx and 1 by y into 1 by y. I will write this over here. 1 by y of y is equals to 1 by log x into d by dx of log x. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. I hope you have understood this step. Log y into 1 by x into log x into d by dx into 1 by y. Oh, I am writing the continuation here. Y is equals into 1 by log x into 1 by x. Okay, you should listen over here. It is the main step and you can do this. Log y by x into log x by y is equals to dy by dx. Here, sorry, I can write this over here. Dy by dx I can write over there. Now I can write the continuation equation. You can write over here. I cannot sufficient the place. 1 by log x into 1 by x. Okay, I am writing the continuation. 3 more steps to complete this problem. log y, log y by y into dy by dx is equals to 1 by dy by dx is equals to 1 by x log x minus 1 by log x, and here minus x, here minus log x square. Okay, dy by dx is equals to y of 1 minus log x log y by x log square x. X log square x. Next continuation point y into 1 minus log x log y.
ఏ ఫామ్లో
అది ఏం మార్కర్ అసలు వాడతలేదు. Here the marker is not adjusting. I will write over here. I will continue this by neatly. Okay, I will write. Anyhow, we can adjust this one time. Okay, continuation here. Dy by dx. Okay, again. Okay, ready guys? Dy by dx completed. Now coming to dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to y by y into 1 minus log x, 1 minus log x into log y by x log square x. Okay, by this last step y, may I use the blackboard please? I can continue the one more step in my blackboard. The blackboard I will say you, I will explain you until that my blackboard chalk. I will find that within soon. Okay, I hope up to here it is clear. The last two steps I will explain you. Okay, by this problem you will be a fantastic interesting points. I hope my marker is unexpectedly it has been completed. My chalk has been back. I will explain you okay, the continuation steps. Okay, dy by dx is equals to y into 1 minus log x log y, 1 minus log x log y, x into log square x. Okay, the final step, it is a fantastic step. Y by x minus log x log y by x log x into log x log y log x. By this finally I am concluding over here. Okay, I am concluding over here. This log x. Okay, by this taking common y by x. Can you give me a piece of cloth? Okay, thank you. I have found it over here. log x into log the finally 1 minus log x log square x. This is log square x. Finally we have concluded. I hope I wrote this step over the back side. Please like, share, subscribe to BRT family in India. This is the fantastic problem. I hope I have explained my level best. Thank you. Jai Hind.